ABB Motion Services is everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. We keep motors, generators, and drives running profitably, safely, and reliably. But we can't do it alone. That's why we need partners like you, to help us serve customers in different industries and geographies in the best possible way. And if you're looking to advance your business, look no further. By collaborating with ABB Motion Services, you'll be able to be more. By becoming an ABB Motion Services partner, you gain access to the biggest amount of serviceable assets, enabling you to tap into new markets and grow your business. Whether you're already a service organization or product related, developing the service part of your business is one of the most attractive growth areas in the industry. With ABB as a partner, you'll be able to do more. With our best-in-class training courses and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to streamline your processes and develop sustainable service revenues. And with our global network of experts, you'll have the support you need to succeed. As our service partner, you can offer more to your customers. With the help of our extensive portfolio, you can maximize their uptime, extend product life cycles, and enhance their performance and energy efficiency. And with our support, you'll be able to strengthen your customer relations and elevate your business. Join our global family network of service partners today to take your business to the next level. ABB Motion Services. Our expertise, your advantage.